Hello everyone, we are working today in Adobe Illustrator to create a name tag, and I am going to introduce a few tools from the toolbar to create a name tag. So first we're starting with the type tool, and we're going to do the click and drag method to create text, and I'm just typing out my name for the name tag. And as I have the type tool selected, I can see at the top the options for settings. So we have the font style, and the size up at the top. And I've set the size to 150, and I'm using a sans serif font that is nice and bold for outlining. Now on the right hand side we have all of the panels that are available, and I'm going to select the swatches panel to change the color. So I'm going to browse down and just find a color that I like, and I can preview what it looks like when I click on it. So we'll go with a teal green color. And I'm going to lock my selection by going to Object, Lock Selection. So now I can't move my object. It is locked down to the artboard, and we can put some lines and drawings over top of that. So I'm using the pen tool, and what I'd like to do is outline my text just to get practice with using the pen tool. This tool is really important for illustrations, and if you create a custom drawing, you can scan it into the document and then outline it to make it digital. So here I'm using the pen tool to outline my text using the point and click method. So I'm clicking to create anchor points along the edges of my letter, and I'm going to continue doing that until I get to the initial anchor point where you can see that the little circle is showing to close the path. So once I click that, the path is closed and I can move the object down and then switch or swap my fill and stroke so that it is filled in just like the text. And I'm going to continue doing that for every letter of the name. Now you try.